Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide profile picture on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide your profile picture on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icons available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and this kind of drop down menu will appear where you'll be able to see the settings option available for us. Just below the start messages, tap on settings, and over here you can see the privacy option available for us. Just below the account, tap on privacy, and over here guys you can see the profile photo option available for us. Just below the last seen and online, tap on profile photo. And over here now, in order to proceed to hide your profile picture, if you want to hide it from everyone, then tap on nobody. But if you want to hide it to only somebody on your contact list, then tap on my contacts except and choose the contacts to whom you don't want to show your profile picture over here. And let's go back. And with that being said guys, the moment you tap on the nobody option, your profile picture will be hidden from everybody on WhatsApp. And with that being said guys, this is how to hide your profile picture on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.